Yes guys, that is our weather for today. Too dusty. Yeah, yeah, be careful everyone to drive because dusty also. It's yeah, look at that guys. Now I'm on my way to go home. I'm just done my first client in the morning. So yeah, that is our weather for today. Sandstorm. This is our weather for today. This one since last night. It was very, very strong sandstorm last night. But now, this one it takes 2 days, they said. Yeah, look at guys, look at the weather. Yeah, my God. That is our weather for today. From last night and today. So dusty. Take care everyone, especially the people who have asthmatic. They have asthma, be careful. Be sure that you wear your mask. Okay? And the one who drive, it's also dangerous for the sandstorm because you know, so drive slowly, slow down, drive safely guys. So, it's getting worse again, the sandstorm. It was less when I go out in the morning. Now I'm on my way to go home. Again getting worse. Started getting worse again. So as you can see, you cannot see the building now. Yeah, it's covered by sandstorm. This guys, na-experience ko ito dito, ganito na siya kagrabe. Na-experience ko nung we are going to really the desierto, desert. Oh my God, I cannot see the highway, you know, because it's covered by sand. So it's too dangerous. Very, very dangerous to drive in desert. Because I don't know where to go because I cannot see the highway. Ano siya, natabunan na siya ng buhangin guys. So, yan po. Oh. It's getting worse again guys. It's getting worse. Yeah. It was less in the morning. It was less. But now again and again. Ito po yung kalaban namin dito sa Middle East, yung sandstorm. Yan po guys, sandstorm po ang kalaban namin dito. Ito po yung bagyo namin dito, buhangin. See that? So guys, be careful everyone, okay? Yeah, that is our weather for today. dusty weather, sandstorm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and be sure press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Thank you guys. God bless us all. Bye.